Hi gorgeous, how are you? So today I'm gonna show you how to do this easy Valentine's makeup look. I wanted to do something whimsical that looks great for every day as well. A portion of today's video is sponsored by Look Fantastic. Headband on. I'm gonna start with my primer, and this one is by Pixi. It is a flawless beauty primer. I really like the packaging of it. Even for an everyday makeup look, you still need to apply your primer, and the primer is gonna help all the products to be applied smoother and also to last longer. And this one is a hydrating one. It gives a light glow and just a tiny bit on the neck as well. And for foundation, I'm gonna go with the Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation by NYX Cosmetics, because with this one, you can do anything that you want. You can apply a little bit and use it like a skin tint, or you can use more and have the full coverage effect. Let me know in the comments what are your plans for Valentine's Day. Are you celebrating with friends, with your significant other? For me, we have three possibilities. The first one is to go to our favorite Mexican restaurant. The second option is to go for hot pot, and I have seen this a lot of times in Chinese dramas. I have never tried it, so I'm very curious about it. And the third option is to go to a place with good steaks. Also, Valentine's Day is on a Wednesday this time, so it is exactly in the middle of the week, and I don't know if we're gonna be very busy with our work. And by the way, this is in the shade Warm Vanilla, and it gives a matte finish, but the primer gives a hydrating glow. So in about 2 to 3 hours, I'm gonna have that beautiful healthy glow. For the eyes, I'm gonna use this concealer by L'Oreal. It is the Infallible More Than Concealer. This is in the shade Cashmere 327. I'm gonna try and use less because my discolorations on the eyes today are not so noticeable. I want to keep this makeup look super easy and simple. And definitely before applying any makeup products, don't forget to apply your skincare so you can hydrate the skin before applying all of the coverage products. To set the foundation and the concealer, I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. I'm adding some on the cap, and this foundation doesn't need a lot of powder to set it. Don't forget the neck as well, otherwise it's gonna be very dangerous for your clothes. Transfer alert! For the eyes, I'm taking a smaller and fluffy brush with very soft bristles, and I'm setting all over the eye, brow bone, inner corner, outer. I give ghost vibes, so I definitely need to bronze my face, and I'm gonna be using this one by NARS. This is the bronzing powder in Laguna, and while I'm applying the bronzer on my face, I'm gonna tell you about the sponsor of today's video, Look Fantastic, your go-to destination for all your beauty needs like skincare, makeup, body care, and more. I have been ordering from their website for years, and they offer over 660 brands. Look Fantastic is shipping to over 200 countries, and this time they have teamed up with Peter Thomas Roth to bring you a limited edition beauty box with 6 of their best sellers for £55. The box has everything you need to transform your skincare routine, and the value of it is over £179. Super amazing. In this one, you can find a full size of the 24K Gold Mask Pure Luxury Lift and Firm, and it retails for £68. It has a thicker consistency, and it's perfect for a spa day at home. The formula is enriched with anti-aging ingredients, and it makes the skin super soft. Then we have the Retinol Fusion PM Night Serum. This can suit any skin type, and it's weightless on the skin. It feels like a thin face oil, and it retails for £55.50. Almost what you pay for the beauty box. The Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer is also full size. The consistency is so spreadable and lightweight. It feels almost like water on the skin, but more hydrating. It is very pleasant. And for blush, I'm also gonna be using one by NARS. This is the shade Orgasm. And the beauty box also contains the potent C Power Serum, which is great to apply in the morning, and it gives a light glow to the skin. This is a deluxe size, and it is worth almost £15. To exfoliate the skin, you can use another product product of this limited edition box, the Firm X Peeling Gel. It can visibly exfoliate by rolling and lifting the dead cells of the skin. After using this, my skin was super smooth. And the next product in this box is the Instant Firm X Eye Technology Temporary Eye Tightener. This gives a refreshing feeling and a smoothing effect to the skin. It is also a deluxe size that it's worth £5 almost. And you can get your hands on these Peter Thomas Roth goodies exclusively through Look Fantastic for £55, and if you are a subscriber of the monthly Look Fantastic beauty box, you can get it for just £45. On the Look Fantastic website, you can find some more limited edition boxes with great value. You can also use the code EXTRA for an extra 10% off on selected products, valid for 1 day only. Look Fantastic has different sales every day, so you can always save money on the site. Big thanks to Look Fantastic for sponsoring today's video, and you can find all of the products listed in the description box below. To give a more aesthetic effect on the face, I'm gonna use the Natasha Super Glow Highlighter. I have the shade 2 Light Medium, and this is such a beautiful highlighter. I'm going to use it also on the eyes later, and I'm adding this right on top of the cheekbone, on the tip of the nose, and a little bit on the bridge, so I can give the illusion that my nose is more pointed up. It gives the glass-like effect. That looks nice. And for the brows, I'm gonna be using two of my favorite products by Benefit. I'm gonna start off with Precisely My Brow Pencil. I have it in the shade 4. This is such a good product if you don't have brow hair, and as you can see, I don't. I want to keep them very natural and do not make them super thick, so they can look effortless with the eye makeup. And to give the fluffier look to my brows, I'm gonna be using the Fluff Up Brow Wax. I also like using this on no makeup days. I'm loving my brows today. They're not exactly twins, but they are sisters. Now let's talk eyes, and I live for a dreamy and effortless look, so I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glam To Go eyeshadow palette, and this one has the perfect color story for a date night, for Valentine's Day, and I'm taking now eyeshadow Softy. Oops, it's very soft actually. And with this one, I'm gonna define the crease area. Ooh, I'm loving this color. It is a perfect peachy, rosy tone for a romantic makeup look. And then I'm going in the eyeshadow Rosy, and I'm also going again in the crease area, mostly on the outer part of the crease. This shade is just so dreamy. I'm loving it. Then I want to continue with eyeshadow Pretty. So I have used so far Pretty Rosy Softy. I love the names. And I'm going to add this all over the eyelid. And now I'm taking eyeshadow Dawn. And with this one, I'm going over the lower lash line. I'm trying to create a thicker line so I can give the illusion of bigger eyes. Nice. Now I'm taking the highlighter again by Natasha Denona. I'm applying this on the inner part of the eye, and I'm also blending a little bit upwards. And now I'm going to apply this on the inner part of the lower eye to give the doll eye effect. Now I'm taking again the eyeshadow Dawn from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to add this exactly underneath the highlighter to give the illusion of a new waterline. With an angle brush, I'm going again in the eyeshadow Dawn, and I'm also pressing it in the darkest one. It's called Dusk, and I'm pressing this very close to the lashes. I'm also adding this mixture of eyeshadows in the outer part of the lower eye, and I'm bringing it just a tiny bit outwards. This makeup look cannot be completed without mascara, and I'm gonna be using the Lancome Hypnose Doll Eyes Mascara. I'm going to apply the first coat all over the lashes to define them and make them visible because my lashes are blonde. And for the second coat, I'm going to apply only on the outer part of the eye. Now it's time for the lips. The right lip color is like the perfect emoji for your mood, right? So I'm gonna apply first this MAC matte lipstick in the shade Mer. This is actually my favorite lip color to wear. The eye look is just an excuse. And I'm going to add on top of it the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Angel Food Cake. Insta Red Lips check. I really like the whole makeup look. Drop your Valentine's Day traditions in the comments below, your plans maybe, and I hope you have fun recreating this makeup look. You can also watch this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!